up? For today's moments, we are looking at DataStorm here on the Commodore Amiga 1200. So, this is just shmup, apparently. So let's have a go. We want to be a single player, because I'm lonely, Mr. Lonely. I have nobody call my own. Right, okay, so guy, yeah, thumbs up, right, okie dokie. Very stiff head, doesn't move at all. Maybe it's braced. And he's getting into his ship, and he's got squished. The trash compactor has just squished him. What a game. What a game. And it's loading again, it's gone very dark in this place. This place is fundamental. Ah, here we go. Oh my god. Okay. We can guess what this is. Can you guess what this is, boys and girls? Yep. I'd say, without much chance of being wrong whatsoever, it's Defender. How's that? No bloody idea. Oh god. No bloody idea. And as traditional as Defender it is, it's very difficult to control. Yeah. I hate the controls on Defender. It's just too out of it. It's all over the place. Really hard to control. It's even worse on the arcade machine. But this is... At least I got back to the hangar. That's one thing. Didn't completely trust the ship. Okay, we'll have another go. But it just looks like it's Defender. Not much sad music. For sad people like me. I think he likes me. Oh well. Come on, do something. I think it's loading the entire file again, which, being an Amiga, would be... Oh, excuse me, it would be traditional. I'm going to have to jump cut here, I think. Okay, you've joined me a few moments later because I need to sit down, my leg's going dead. Okay, we're going to have another go of DataStorm. Here's I'll show it, even though it's just what it is. Yeah, a Defender clone, nothing else. Oh well, what a pity. But... out of the blackness shall come game. Here it is, right. And let's give it a fair juice here, see if there's anything perhaps that's different about it. Oh, hang on, am I killing people? Wouldn't help, would it? Why is Defender so twitchy? Does it need to... Can we pick people up? Nope. Okay, oh, bad guys. So, we kill them all! Just kill them all! Probably better just to go one way, isn't it, on this? There's... What is that? I have no idea what that is. Some sort of energy giveaway? An energy giveaway. That's a new word. I've just created that. But, yeah, okay. Oh! It is what it is. I'm not going to sit here waiting for it to load again. So, that is DataStorm. If you like Defender, perhaps it's for you. Otherwise, perhaps not. So, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. There is social media and links to Patreon if you really like me and want to support the channel. So, thank you all very much. I hope you enjoyed that one. For what it was. Thank you.
You need to quit being dirty. You're a dirty boy.